Dear colleagues, my name is Paul Summergrad, and I'm a candidate for Secretary for Finances of the World Psychiatric Association. At this very difficult time in our common history, I wanted to tell you a little bit about myself, why I'm running, and why I consider the WPA important for our patients, their families, and our global community. First, a little about myself. I'm the Dr. Francis S. Arkin Professor and Chairman of the Department of Psychiatry at Tufts University School of Medicine, where I am also Professor of Psychiatry and Medicine and Psychiatrist in Chief at Tufts Medical Center. All of those are in Boston, Massachusetts in the United States. From 2014 to 2015, I served as the President of the American Psychiatric Association. In the WPA, I have served on the Standing Committee on Nominations and currently serve on the Standing Committee for Finances, among other participations in the organization. The COVID-19 pandemic represents a fundamental challenge to the world's social, medical, and economic order. While pandemics and pandemic planning have been major public health concerns for many years, I suspect most of us have seen our personal and professional lives upended by COVID-19 and its profound effects on our societies and economies. The response of the medical profession, our colleagues throughout healthcare and the sciences, has been nothing short of remarkable, and in many cases, heroic and profoundly self-sacrificing. I have seen this personally, as I'm sure you have, and I have been in awe of our colleagues' work in the face of personal risk. The overwhelming nature of this crisis, its dislocations, and its effects on mental, emotional, and social well-being have also been reminders of why the work we do is so important. Indeed, in many countries, my own as well, our patients have been those at particularly high risk for infection, poor outcomes, and even death. All of this is a reminder, too, of why global health care and global mental health care is so important and why we need the WPA to function at its highest and best capacity for the common good of all humanity. In this context, I am running for Secretary for Finances so that the WPA can have the needed resources, transparent finances and governance, and be a trusted partner to other organizations, governmental, NGOs, and foundations in how we advance the care and science of mental disorders and the field of psychiatry globally. All of this must serve the needs of patients and families, high-quality science, and do so with the greatest respect for the many cultures and governmental systems whose national psychiatric associations make up the partnership that is the WPA. I would be glad to answer questions either by email, phone, or Zoom, or other such platforms for you or your governance bodies. I hope you will consider my candidacy when you vote in October. Thank you very much.